flagship phone, the 15 Ultra, was launched on February 27th in China, bringing an impressive hardware and advanced features starting price of $900. But if you're planning to repair it outside warranty, you will have to pay a high price. The display replacement cost is said to be around $185, which is in line with other premium flagships. You need a new battery, it is very affordable at $25. Where things get pricey is the motherboard replacement. A motherboard replacement will cost you anywhere between $410 to $495, which is a 1TB model. This is due to the motherboard housing key components like Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, RAM, and the storage. For photography lovers, the Leica branded quad setup is also very expensive to repair. The wide angle camera is said to be $130, the ultra wide angle camera is said to be $75, one telephoto sensor is $30, and the front facing camera is just $8. Other components like smaller fixes like the battery cover is $38, the speaker is $8, the subboard is $14. So it's a more or less a fixed cost or a mixed cost.